Installing an Android stereo with a 360 degrees camera system is one of the best upgrades you can make to your vehicle. This advanced setup provides a modern touchscreen infotainment system while giving you a complete bird's-eye view around your car for improved safety and easier parking. In this guide, we'll walk you through the installation process, camera placement, wiring connections, and camera calibration to ensure accurate 360 degrees surround view monitoring. Whether you're upgrading for convenience, navigation, entertainment, or enhanced driving safety, an Android stereo with a 360 camera offers features such as Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi access, and dashcam recording. The 360 degrees camera system helps eliminate blind spots and makes parking in tight spaces much easier. At RMS Car Tint and Accessories, we provide professional installation services for Android stereos and 360 camera systems. We also install dash cams, GPS trackers, car alarms, backing sensors, LED lights, and other automotive accessories. We accept home service in selected areas. Thank you for trusting RMS Car Tint and Accessories. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with your friends and follow us for more car upgrade tips, installation tutorials, and automotive accessory reviews.